The AI video space moves insanely fast. Every day there's a new model, a new feature, a new post like this. At some point, it feels like your head is exploding. You feel overwhelmed. Seeing influencers talk about Kling, then Veil, then Sora, then something else drops the next week. And what's worse, each has its own learning curve. But our time is limited. The question becomes, what should I actually focus on? Or better yet, what's the point of all this? What do I really get out of AI filmmaking? And is it even worth pursuing when tools move so fast that what I learned today can feel outdated tomorrow? Usually, people make AI videos either to have fun or make money. Sometimes both. But what most beginners get wrong is when they think AI buys them creativity. No, AI only buys speed. It compresses production time, not thinking time. Now, with so many tools, it's not unusual to experience choice paralysis. But you shouldn't obsess over AI tools because one, even if you stop learning any new feature or workflow, today's tools are already good enough to make even full-length films. Second, tools change too fast for you to keep up anyway, so don't even try. But most importantly, creative judgment matters more than tools. From nearly 2 years of doing this, what I've learned is that the AI filmmaking process is just one creative decision after another. That's it. So judgment trumps everything because AI will give you tons of ideas, just not good ones. It's up to you to take their basic ideas, stitch them together, and turn them into something worth watching. Judgment is knowing when a generation is good enough. Judgment is cutting a clip from the timeline, even though you think it's awesome, because it doesn't fit the story. That's the skill that will matter in the long run. But before I tell you how to hone judgment, let's talk about the tools. Generally, one stack is enough. You do not need to constantly switch tools because that would mean restarting from zero. Whether you want to start with free tools or invest in more advanced ones, these are my recommended stacks for beginners. I'll leave a link in the description for you guys. You can stay on free tools for a while, but eventually you'll probably want more control and capabilities. And commercial AI tools aren't cheap, so let's talk about monetization. If you want money as fast as possible, commercial videos are the way. I mean, if a nobody from the Philippines with no film background can win the trust of these global brands, then anyone can, right? Because it doesn't take much to earn in the AI ad space. If you want to know more, I have a video showing exactly how I got into AI advertising. You should be able to click it here. Truth be told, making ads is not as fun as making short films. This is the most soulful and creative path, obviously, but also the hardest. Views don't come easy. A lot of talented AI filmmakers are grinding on YouTube, including me. We publish films for free, hoping to get noticed. But oftentimes, it feels like a Hail Mary. There are also tons of AI film awards now. Winning them isn't easy, but you usually get free AI software credits when you join. So when we make films, we might as well submit them. The point is, I don't recommend quitting your job. Income isn't guaranteed in making short films. In fact, you probably have more chances if you make AI slop instead. It's a sad reality, but high-volume AI content can make serious money. I saw someone who was making like $27,000 a month, but he was ultimately demonetized, so there's that risk. YouTube cracks down on low-quality videos, and AI slop could be categorized as such. Anyway, we've talked a lot about judgment earlier, but there's another crucial skill that people ignore. Taste. If judgment answers, what do I do next? Taste answers, is this good? Most projects fail even before the first prompt because the idea is weak. Taste is knowing when something feels off, even if you can't explain why yet. To develop taste, you need exposure to great films. Not passively, you need to analyze what's good and what's bad. Compress patterns, ask why a scene works well. You can make your own movie watch list or use my best films list. I leave them in the description. Remember not to binge. Taste needs spacing to develop. You can watch once per day or whenever you're available. That said, none of this matters if you don't create. The most successful filmmakers I know are constantly doing both, learning and creating. Creating sharpens judgment, judgment sharpens taste. They grow together, and that's how you actually grow as an AI filmmaker. Thanks for watching, and if you want to keep learning how to make it in this space, check out the next video.